Hello everyone, my name is Epami Abinedo and today I am excited to share with you my topic on the evolving concept of extended digital self and self-revolution. This presentation will dive into the interconnected nature of digital self and self-revolution, exploring how individuals project their identities in digital realm and the implication of sharing personal information online. Join me as we explore the fascinating evolution of extended digital self and the dynamic of self-revolution in today's interconnected world.
Roosevelt Belt in 1988 introduced the concept of extended self, exploring how individuals interact with technology and how it influences their sense of self. Bell focused on the impact of emerging technology on consumer behavior, proposing that digital technology would shape a personal identity, leading to the creation of the extended self primarily evident in the digital. Over the years, as technology has advanced significantly, the concept of digital self has evolved in tandem with the digital landscape. This evolution has brought about profound changes in how individuals construct and represent their own life and offline. First, the dematerialization of the self refers to the shift from physical to digital presentation of identity. Second, the concept of pre-embodiment involved the transmission of one physical self into digital avatar of representation. Third, sharing. The notion of sharing has become central to the digital self, with individuals sharing various aspects of their life on social media and other online platforms. Fourth, the co-construction of the self. The digital world enables collaborative self-expression where individuals engage in co-creating their identities with others online. Through interaction with peer, influencer, and communities, individuals shape and refine their digital self in a collective manner. Fifth, distributed memory. In the digital age, memory is no longer confined to individual mind, but it is distributed across digital devices. The concept of self-revelation in the digital realm is closely intertwined with the notion of sharing personal information online. In the digital platform, individuals can convey a great deal about themselves through the way they present and disclose information. Sharing on social networking profile has become closely linked with self-revelation, allowing people to craft a positive and successful image of themselves without being perceived as arrogant. Posts that highlight material position, enrich purchase, or life achievements are generally well received and socially accepted in social space, unlike in face-to-face conversation where they may be viewed differently. Digital environment allowed individuals to engage in self-evolution through sharing personal success and failure without the fear of harsh judgment. This shift in societal norms has made it more comfortable for people to disclose aspects of their life online. The use of emoji and other digital tools further reinforces this self-disclosure by providing a means to express emoji and reaction to share information. This trend to self-revelation in the digital world reflects a broader acceptance of sharing personal experience and achievements online.